Morning students, today we'll do some practice questions. This is for BTech 6M Textile Technology, Textile Engineering, Textile Chemistry students under the subject of textile testing. So the first one is uniformity ratio of normal variety of cotton is in the range. As we all know, uniformity ratio is the ratio of 50% span length and 2.5% span length, and its normal value is 40 to 50% or 0.4 to 0.5. So we'll go for option B here. So now next is uniformity ratio. As we have already discussed, uniformity ratio is ratio of 50% span length and 2.5% span length, and uniformity index is another term which is the ratio of mean length and upper half mean length. Now here we'll go for option A for second question. Now third question, that is average degree of cell wall thickening for mature cotton fibers. We'll go for option C here because option D is too perfect, and 0.1 and 0.2 is for immature fibers, as degree of cell wall thickening is the ratio of the area of the cross section of a secondary cell wall in cotton fiber to that of area of circle of same perimeter. Now the next question is when denier of fiber is doubled, its diameter increases by. As we all know, diameter is directly proportional to square root of denier. Now when denier is doubled, then diameter becomes 1.414 times, but here they are asking the increase in diameter, so we'll go for option A here, that is 0.41 times. Next question is related to advanced fiber information system, instrument used for cotton fiber characteristics measurement. The characteristic waveform produced by light scattered by individual fibers in an AFIS instrument is light scattered by individual fibers gives rectangular waveform, and light scattered by NEPs in case of AFIS instrument is these are spiked. So we'll go for option C here as per NPTEL site codes. Now the next question is the following has the highest index of irregularity. As we all know that index of irregularity is ratio of limit CV, that is the minimum CV present in the yarn or any textile strand, to that of the actual CV. Sorry, it is inverse. It is actual CV upon limit CV, which is always greater than 1. I is always greater than 1. And we all know that index of irregularity decreases from carded sliver to yarn. So here they are asking highest index of irregularity. So we'll go for option A, that is carded sliver. Next is NEP setting on evenness tester is related to PMD based on yarn length. Whenever we are asked about NEP setting on evenness tester and we are asked about the yarn length, then the yarn length limit for NEP is 4 mm. And the ninth question here where they are asking about the reference length for evenness tester for NEP measurement, it is 1 mm. Instruments are set to give the results based on reference length of 1 mm, but the definition on yarn length is up to 4 mm. NEP is up to 4 mm. Now the next question is Worcester Classimet is for classifying yarn faults, yarn imperfections, yarn irregularity. As we all know, the Worcester Classimet is for classifying yarn faults. Imperfections are given by the unevenness tester or not by the Classimet. Okay, so we'll stop here and move to quiz 2 in the next lecture. Thank you.